Step 3, identify your target market. Think back to your why, and you just might uncover your target market. Find out through research who in your area or online you see is struggling with poor credit. Is it the people who need a better understanding of financial literacy to secure a home one day? Or people who want to become small business owners but can't secure a business loan due to financial mistakes made in college? Knowing a focused specific target market won't necessarily limit you from getting other businesses. Rather, it'll help you zero in on where you can market your services and how to find clients who may be desperate for your service.